26 in my heart. People say I'm 86. Count the candles, do the math. Point to all my creaky bones and the years behind my path. But inside there's a younger man, still chasing dreams beneath the sun. 1,000 stories left to tell, and 1,000 things not done. These old knees may complain when I rise up from my chair, but the fire that God put in me, well, it's still burning there. 'Cause I'm 86 on paper, but 26 in my heart. I've still got roads to travel, I've still got dreams to start. My body aches a little more than it did back in the day, but I've got so much living left, and I'm not done today. The grandchildren live far away, across the miles and oceans blue. I miss their laughs, their growing faces, and all the little things they do. But I know they think about me, and I know their love is true. And every night I thank the Lord for each one, and Norma too. Time keeps moving on ahead, like the tide upon the shore. But every sunrise whispers softly, you've still got plenty more. 'Cause I'm 86 on paper, but 26 in my heart. I've still got roads to travel, I've still got dreams to start. My body aches a little more than it did back in the day, but I've got so much living left, and I'm not done today. I've seen typhoons come and go, watch the world keep changing fast, learn that love is what remains long after moments pass. So don't count me out just yet, there's still a sparkle in my eyes. The years may fill my calendar, but they can't steal my skies. I'm 86 on paper, but 26 in my heart. Still singing every morning, like each day new start. My body's not as strong these days, but my spirit leads the way. I've got so much life still left to live, and so much more to say. So if you see an old man smiling, walking slow beneath the blue, just know he's got a younger heart, and he's still dreaming too. With grandchildren near in memory, though they're many miles away, and Norma by his side in love, he'll keep dancing every day.